Hello, greetings from Booneri. In today's topic of travel and tourism, we'll be going to the place Khajjar. Wanna know more about this place? Watch ahead. Ever imagined what would it be like to visit the beautiful Swiss Alps? A scenic location amid snow-capped mountains, lush green pastures, serene lakes, most picturesque views, and the ski resorts. Well, a holiday like this might seem far-fetched, but you will be surprised to know that you don't need a passport to turn this dream into reality. How is that possible? No, we're not talking about Switzerland here, but instead a place right here in India, where, just as I told you before, the place called Khajjar. Where is it located? It is in the North Indian state of Himachal Pradesh, in the district called Chamba. Khajjar has been termed as the Switzerland of India due to its very resemblance to its foreign counterpart. Khajjar is not very big, but just a small hill station. It is at an altitude of 6,500 feet with cool weather. In addition, it is a paradise for nature lovers. What are some things that you can do in Khajjar? Take a look. Though it's not a big place, rather just a tiny hill town, Khajjar packs quite a punch in terms of adventure, nature, diverse wildlife, and culture. One of the most scenic locations in Khajjar is the Khajjar Lake. The highlight of this spot is the floating island, which is actually a bunch of grass growing on the lake's surface. A beautiful sight to behold. Other than that, you can also indulge in various adventurous activities, from paragliding and many more such different options to horseback riding, and you can also enjoy zorbing. There are plenty of recreational activities in this scenic hill town. If you're not interested in all of this, you can simply relax amid nature and enjoy the view of the forests. You can also head to the Kalatop Wildlife Sanctuary, where you can set on a nature trail. You can expect to come across some animals like the Himalayan black marten. Otherwise, if you get a chance, you might even spot a jackal or even a leopard. Or maybe a deer, a bear, etc. Even if you're not able to spot the sight of any of these animals, the sanctuary is packed with dense deodar forests and little streams, which also make it a perfect location for trekking and nature walks. To behold your memory forever, you can click pictures in traditional Himalayan clothes, which can be rented, and these pictures will add to the beautiful memories that you take away from this place. Amazing! The best time to see Khajjar is year-round. As it's a hill station, the weather is always pleasant, but in winters, it does snow. For those who love snow can head during the winters and enjoy playing amidst the snow. So, how to reach there and where to stay? Watch ahead. How to reach Khajjar? Khajjar doesn't have an airport of its own. The nearest airport is Kangra Airport, or also known as Gaggal Airport, which is approximately 134 kilometers away. And the nearest railway station is Pathankot, approximately 118 kilometers away from Khajjar. You can choose your mode of transport and then take a bus or cab from there for the rest of the way. Khajjar can also be reached from Dalhousie, the nearest major town and hill station, by bus in an hour and a half or so. That gives us many options to reach Khajjar. There are a variety of accommodation options in Khajjar which you can choose that matches your budget. There are many inexpensive lodging options available too. Prices start from approx 1000 rupees onwards for cheap lodges to about 18,000 rupees per night for full cottages. Khajjar has different eating out options like street food, which you can relish while you tour the place around, or you can also go to restaurants which typically serve North Indian cuisine. To experience authentic Himachali local food, instead of taking an accommodation at a hotel, stay at one of the guest houses or go for homestays. Staying in a localized community will let you enjoy their traditional food, know their culture, and this will also give you a chance to explore the nearby villages and their apple orchards. So, you get an altogether different touring experience. Wow! After seeing all this about the place, its culture, I feel like packing my bags already. You wanna join? Come, let's head straight to Khajjar.